So I met this lady years ago at the gym at One Health. And she was an elderly lady, and we were talking about exercising and the importance of taking care of your body. And she said to me, Elizabeth, I started working out when I was 62. 62. And by that time, my knees were bad, my back was bad, I had absolutely no energy, and I was overweight. Her back was bad, everything was just going wrong. She said, I was so busy raising my children and taking care of everything else in the house. The hubby, the cleaning and cooking, and she was a stay-home mom. She also helped her husband with his work. She did a lot of data entry and administrative tasks, right? So she said, I had no time. And I kept saying I had no time. But the thing is, Elizabeth, I kept thinking about it. I never stopped thinking, I gotta start working out. I wanna start working out. I wanna start taking care of my body. I should start taking some supplements. I should start eating better. She said she ate once a day, and usually it was just bread or something simple, crackers. I was like, how did you survive? She said, by the time my children left for university, got married, they were gone, they were out of the house, I was left feeling depleted and with a broken body. I could barely walk up the steps in my home. And she said to me, the message was this, and I often repeat it: invest time, energy, and money now, or pay later. Pay later with sickness, illness, mobility, all types of things that go wrong when we're not taking care of ourselves. Don't wait. Don't wait. If you're thinking about it, that means you need to do it. Don't wait. Don't wait, because you do not know what tomorrow will bring. You don't know. Start today. Start now. Start with 15 minutes. In 2 weeks, you can move up to 20. You don't have to have an hour to work out. You don't have to have an hour and a half. You can do something in 15 minutes and gradually work your way up. For those of you who say, I have no time, that's the biggest thing I hear from women. I wake up at 6 a.m., I'm getting the kids ready, I'm out the door, I gotta be at work at 8:30, I get home, I'm cooking dinner. Make the time. All you need is 20 minutes. 20 minutes. I know what it's like to feel really yucky. I know what that's like. There's no turning back for me. There is no plan B. Make the time and just do it. Do it.